Students, in this topic, which is the grouping of cells in series and parallel, we are going to find out the equivalent EMF and equivalent internal resistance of the cells when they are connected in series and parallel. Let us consider the first case when two cells are connected in series. Two cells are connected in series as shown here. You can see there two cells of EMF E1 and internal resistance R1 and another cell of EMF E2 and internal resistance R2 are to be connected in series. Now let us first find out the potential difference across the cell E1, and that is represented as VAB, which is equal to VA minus VB is equal to, that is given by E1 minus IR1. Since these are connected in series, so we are considering here the current is same passing through both the cells. Similarly, the potential drop across this cell E2 of internal resistance R2 can be calculated as WVBC is equal to VB minus VC is equal to E2 minus IR2. Now since we need to find out the equivalent EMF across this combination, it means we need to find out across the potential AC. So VAC can be calculated by adding these two potentials, VAB and VBC. So we'll write here VAB is VA minus VB plus VB minus VC. So you can see there in this case when this cancel out, we will get VA minus VC. So putting the values of VA minus VB is E1 minus IR1 plus VB minus VC is E2 minus IR2. So taking E1 plus E2 collectively and minus I taken common, R1 plus R2. It means we can say here when the two cells are connected to be in series, we can express this relation as VAC is equal to E equivalent minus I R equivalent. That is E equivalent is equal to E1 plus E2. And similarly R equivalent is equal to R1 plus R2. Similarly, if we are having three cells or four cells, their individual EMFs will be added and their internal resistance will also be added. Now let us consider the case of n cells of equal EMFs to be connected in series. So in this case, the EMF E equivalent will be equal to E plus E plus E, so on NE. So we'll get here NE. E equivalent is equal to NE. And similarly, R equivalent can be calculated as NR if N resistance are to be connected in series. Now when such circuit of EMF NE, let us draw this: one cell, two cell, three cell, so on nth cell. When these are connected to the external resistance R, having EMFs E equivalent EMF. This is the case when n cells of equal EMF are connected in series. So in this case, the total EMF, if I write total EMF is equal to NE, total internal resistance is equal to NR. In this case, the total resistance across the of the circuit will become R plus NR. So now we can calculate the total current. Our current is given by total EMF, that is NE upon total resistance R plus NR. So this is the expression for total current which can pass through the circuit containing n cells of equivalent EMF and external resistance R.